Oh shit, there it is. Oh Christ almighty. Oh, heaven pray I don't drop this. Oh. It's been almost an entire month since I ordered this thing, but it's finally here. I'm gonna try my best to make an unboxing video. Fuck. I guess I need a way to open this. Finally I have a use for this fucking thing. I spent $1,600 on this fucking thing. They say not to cut towards you, but, well, I dropped out of Boy Scouts for a reason. Fuck. This works well. I could cut through my enemies with this. Oh shit. Look at it! Holy shit! It's more than I could have ever dreamed of. There's more. This one has ridges in it. Holy shit! Alright, let's get serious. Holy shit, it's massive. What? What? Holy shit. I got me a pair of turtle beaches. Lit. What's this? Alright. Bag of reefer? Oh shit. I'm not sure what that is. I think that's a keyboard. I'm gonna guess that that's a keyboard. Oh. What the fuck? What kind of cheap ass fucking packaging is this? They sent me 2 keyboards, I guess. The fuck am I gonna do with this? Oh shit. They sent me free toilet paper. What else you got here? This is it. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Holy Christ. I could literally live in this box. That's how big it is. Oh shit. It's what I've always dreamed of. Oh, nice. We got a, I think this is a pillow. What else you got here? Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh. Holy shit. Oh, it won't even come out. Damn, this bitch is tight. Oh, what the fuck am I supposed to even... Holy fuck. You ever wonder what it's like to deliver babies? You're watching it. Oh, get out! Just get the fuck out! Oh, don't want to use my machete on the computer. I don't think that would be very good for it. Get out! Oh, yes. Come on, almost there.
6.5 hours later.
Holy shit, am I fucking sweating right now?
A few inches later.
Oh, you're almost there. Bitch. Oops. Oh! I just smashed it on the floor a little bit. Holy shit, this is it. Oh man. Oh man. It's huge. 3, 2, 1. The fuck is this? Important my ass. Whoa. The fuck? The fuck? Why is it in a bag? I feel like I just bought a car. Like a really tiny car. I don't know what to say other than looks like a computer. It cost me like $1,600, so I hope it's worth it. Fuck. Maybe I should have read that important sign. I don't entirely. Wow, she's a beauty, alright. Huh. I'm gonna try to get this set up.
A few moments later.
Oh baby, the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh ho ho ho. Look at those specs. Wow. Alright. She's plugged in, she's ready to go. All we gotta do now is just turn her on. All we gotta do now is, turn her on. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Dude, look at her go. Holy shit. Whoa. Holy fuck. Holy tamale. God damn it. My PS4 certainly doesn't do that. Wow. It's like a fucking rave happening inside my PC. I don't know what to do from here. I'm not sure what to do from here on though.
12 seconds later.
We did it, baby. We did it.
Many months later.
Oh, yes. Ooh, yes. Look at those specs. Wow. Dude, look at her go. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Holy tamale. My PS4 certainly doesn't do that. It's like a fucking rave happening inside my PC.